Hey man, my name is Sean Archer, better known as He Speaks Volumes. I'm an author, speaker, mentor, entrepreneur, philanthropist, community activist. I'm all about the people, man. Mr. Promise yourself a good day, as you can see, you know. I just started, man. Like, it started off as a blog or maybe just a simple paragraph, but I continued to write, continued, and by about the third or fourth day, I was like, man, I think I got a book, and I just started writing from there. And I always been a good writer, but that was like how it started, you know. It wasn't something that I had really sought out, but it just came to me, and I just went with it. To use Facebook for your following, I would say you got to spend money. It's no other way around it. You could use your friends and stuff for get shares, but in all actuality, you need to spend ad money. And when I say ad money, it's like you need to pretty much figure out a strategic way to get people to actually share your content. And when I say run your ads, you're running your ads so that you can get the demographic that you're looking for, because all your friends, they might like your stuff, they might share it, but it might not even be for them. They're just doing it for you. You want to reach people that fit the need of what it is that you're trying to bring. Like, you're trying to help people achieve this goal. You need to find people that need that. You know what I'm saying? So you got to find your demographic. That's first, and then you got to run your ads, and you can't be afraid to spend the money. Think about it like when you go to work and you spend your lunch money. You spend like $10 a day, right? You can spend $10 a day on Facebook. Just do it, and you'll reap the benefits of everything. Because I get tons and tons of people, like thousands of people that I do not know, to my content, and that's like the biggest draw to me for Facebook. You can post pretty much anything. Make sure it relates to what you're doing. Don't just say, hey, buy my book, hey, buy my shirt, hey, buy this, buy that. Like, give them content that is relatable. You got to give away a whole lot of free stuff, man. You just got to give away free knowledge, free content, free quotes. It's a lot of free stuff you got to give, even though you're paying to run ads on it. Figure out what the people really want. Like, figure out what works for you, so test things. Don't be afraid to test different strategies. If this worked, stretch it out a little bit and try something else with it. And when you get to the point where it doesn't work anymore, go back to what worked and then try something new, and just keep evolving and just keep growing to the point where you know exactly what works, and then you just put your money where your mouth is. Hey man, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, He Speaks Volumes, Twitter, He Speaks Volumes, HeSpeak. He Speaks Volumes, man. You gonna edit that out, right? All right. HeSpeaksVolumes. He Speaks Volumes. Just constant positive energy, man. If you got it, come rock with me. The Art of Choosing is coming real soon. 11 Signs He's Wasting Your Time is out now. And just great things, man. Promise yourself a good day. Make it happen, man. It all starts in your mind. It all starts in your thinking. So hop up out that bed and be grateful. All right?